another little robin down there. Okay.
Look at the squirrel, it's watching us. Oh, hello.
Oh, wind up the way. Phoebe.